Because there's been so many sexual abuse allegations in schools, State Attorney General Rob Bonta is taking action. Bonta pushing for stronger accountability and reminding school districts across the state of their responsibilities to keep students safe.
This comes on the heels of a string of absolutely unacceptable occurrences of sexual harassment, assault, and abuse in education programs and activities that we have received reports on.
Those reports come from the Civil Rights Data Collection, which shows that during the 2020 to 2021 school year, schools nationwide reported 2,700 incidents of sexual assault, 350 cases of rape or attempted rape, and 17,000 allegations of sex-based harassment. In California, that's translated to an estimated $2 to $3 billion in settlements over student sexual abuse claims. Attorney General Rob Bonta has issued an alert to all K-12 school districts, reminding them of their legal obligation to prevent and respond to sexual misconduct. He's also providing schools and families with resources, launching a Know Your Rights webpage, and releasing a document in 6 languages to help students and parents understand how to report abuse and what protections the law provides.
These resources will remind California families and students of their rights under California law and encourage them to immediately report incidents of sexual harassment, assault, and abuse.
Here in Kern County, those concerns hit close to home, with similar cases occurring and protests happening because of it. I reached out to several Kern County school districts to ask about their safety protocols. The McFarland Unified School District sent us this response that reads in part, quote, "By law and district policy, every single employee, whether they're a classroom teacher, support staff, or administrator, must clear a comprehensive background check through the Department of Justice and the FBI." And the Kern County Superintendent of Schools adds that employees are not permitted to begin work until they've received clearance. Adding this, unfortunately, situations can and obviously do occur after employment that would not have triggered any concern during the initial screening, which is why the ongoing monitoring is an important part of the process. Bonta also stresses that schools must be in full compliance with SB 848, a new state law requiring every school to develop a comprehensive school safety plan by July 1st. For 23 ABC News, I'm Ruby Rivera, your Delano neighborhood reporter.